Hi, my name is Paul Freeman and I'm the product specialist for the Baler models from Case IH. Just going to have a quick walk around this RB465, which is of our variable chamber family. First thing we have is the pickup. This is the wide pickup, so this is a 2.3 meter wide, where we have also got the rotor feeder mechanism to allow us to get high capacity baling. The pickup itself is a 5-bar pickup, so we're minimizing the lag in collection of the material, so this helps us get high capacity harvesting. But also at the same time we've got what we call the top assist system, so this is also helping the crop flow into the bale chamber. This is a contra-rotating shaft with the paddles there that are helping to move the top side of the swath as it's moving into the bale chamber itself. This particular model, we have also got the rotor feeder. So these balers are also available with a rotor cutter version with up to 15 interchangeable knives. We come down the side, we here have the spring for the pickup flotation. So basically the majority of the weight is carried by these springs, but there's enough weight in the pickup so that the wheels actually are touching the ground and they can follow the contours of the ground to get good pickup, but the bulk of the weight is actually being carried by the baler. If I come down to the side of the machine now, so here at the side of the baler, first things that you can notice that it's a fairly clean area. There's not a lot of chains and belts and things like this. It's very neat and tidy, simple design. The net wrapping system is here, and I'll tell you a little bit about that more later. And here, because we have a rotor feeder, and it's the same if it's a rotor cutter, there is the means to reverse the rotor if there was a bit of a blockage or too much material had gone into the bale chamber. This can be either a hydraulic system that the operator can control from the cab of the tractor. If not, he can use a mechanical system where we have a bar which is just positioned up here that will be inserted into a cam just here, and manually they can reverse the crop out of the machine. Again, you can see here on the side of the baler the simplicity of the drive lines. This is thanks to the formation rollers and the belts. The simple drive line means that the baler is quite tidy. There's not a lot of ledges where dust can accumulate. And another nice thing from an operator's perspective is wherever we've got chain tensioners, we have these spring adjusters, but we always have these sight guards, so the operator can have just a quick glance at the baler and he can see that everything's okay, and this will obviously reduce the amount of time servicing in the morning and allow the operator to get into work much quicker. Hydraulic lifting and lowering of the pickup hitch. We have adjustments here for the pickup height adjustment if need be, and then finally we can see that we have an oil chain lubrication system. Here's the oil here, and so all of these chains are periodically brushed with oil to keep them at optimum performance. As I said earlier, these machines are available as either twine wrapping or net wrapping, or indeed both. Taking the roll and loading it into the wrapping system is very easy. We just take this pin out here, take off the spent roller, and simply put your net on your shoulder, and you can feed that back in there. The clip is because we can manage a number of different widths of net rolls, so we can do edge to edge or even go up to a 1.3 meter roll of net, which would then allow us to have over the edge wrapping, and we just simply set it using these R clips here.